Have you ever stepped outside and thought, my backyard could be so much better? Don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is, you don't need a big budget or a professional team to make your outdoor space amazing. In this video, you'll discover 10 simple and creative outdoor home improvement ideas that will turn your yard into a place you'll love spending time in. From cozy lighting to easy DIY projects, we've got something for everyone. So stick around, you won't want to miss these awesome ideas. Lighting can completely change the way your outdoor space looks and feels. With the right lighting, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Here are a few easy ways to brighten up your yard. String lights. These are super popular because they're affordable and easy to hang. Drape them across your patio, fence, or even trees for a magical glow. Solar-powered lights. No wiring needed. Just place them in sunny spots during the day and they'll light up your pathways or garden at night. Pathway lights. These not only add style but also help you and your guests move around safely after dark. Smart outdoor lights. Want to control your lights from your phone? Smart lights let you change colors and brightness with a tap. Adding lighting is one of the simplest ways to boost your outdoor space, and it makes a big difference. Speaking of cozy, what if you could enjoy your evenings outside around a warm fire? Let's talk about creating your own DIY fire pit. And building your own fire pit is easier than you think. And it can make your backyard the perfect spot for relaxing with friends and family. Here's how you can do it. Pick the perfect spot. Choose a safe, open area away from trees, fences, or anything that could catch fire. Choose your materials. Bricks, pavers, or even a fire pit kit from your local store can help you build a sturdy base. Layer it up. Stack the materials in a circle, leaving enough space in the center for a good fire. Add seating. Arrange some comfy chairs or even DIY benches to create a cozy space around the fire. A fire pit isn't just for warmth. It's also a great way to make memories, whether you're telling stories, making s'mores, or just enjoying the glow. Not a fan of big projects? No problem. If you're short on space, a vertical garden might be the perfect solution for you. By growing plants up instead of out, you can bring color and life to even the smallest outdoor spaces. Here's how to get started. Unpick your spot. A sunny wall, fence, or even a balcony railing works great for a vertical garden. Unchoose your plants. Herbs, flowers, and even small vegetables thrive in vertical gardens. Get creative with containers. Use hanging planters, wall-mounted pockets, or even recycled items like wooden pallets. And water wisely. Since vertical gardens dry out faster, consider a drip irrigation system to keep your plants happy. Not only does a vertical garden save space, but it also makes your outdoor area look stylish and fresh. Looking for a way to add both shade and style to your yard? A pergola might be just what you need. A pergola creates a cozy, defined space in your yard where you can relax, entertain, or even dine outdoors. Here's how you can make it your own. Choose your style. Pergolas come in wood, metal, or even vinyl, so pick one that matches your home's look. Add climbing plants. Vines like ivy or wisteria can grow over the top and provide natural shade. Hang some lights. String lights or lanterns can make your pergola look magical at night. Make it comfy. Add outdoor curtains or shade covers for extra protection from the sun. With a pergola, you're not just adding shade, you're creating a beautiful outdoor retreat you'll love spending time in. Now that you've got the perfect shaded space, let's talk about upgrading your patio furniture to make it even more inviting. The right furniture can completely change the vibe of your outdoor space, making it more inviting and comfortable for guests, and for you. Here's how to upgrade your patio furniture. Pick weather-resistant materials. Look for furniture made from materials like teak, aluminum, or all-weather wicker. They'll last longer and look great in all kinds of weather. Add colorful cushions. Brighten up your space with cushions in bold colors or fun patterns. They'll give your patio a fresh, cheerful feel. Consider multifunctional pieces. A bench with storage or a coffee table that doubles as extra seating can be both practical and stylish. And create a cozy seating arrangement. Arrange your furniture to encourage conversation and relaxation. Think about grouping chairs around a coffee table or adding a hammock for extra chill vibes. With just a few new pieces, you can turn your patio into a place you'll want to spend hours in. If you've always wanted to grow your own vegetables or flowers, a raised garden bed is a perfect place to start. Not only does it make gardening easier, but it also adds a neat, organized look to your yard. Here's how you can build your own raised garden bed. Pick the right location. Choose a spot that gets plenty of sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours a day, for the best growth. Choose your materials. You can build your bed from wood, bricks, or even recycled materials like old pallets. Fill it with the right soil. Make sure you use a good mix of soil and compost to help your plants thrive. Plant what you love: vegetables, herbs, flowers. Raised beds are perfect for all kinds of plants. Add a border or fence. Keep out pests and keep things looking tidy by adding a simple border or small fence around your bed. A raised garden bed helps you grow more, work less, and enjoy gardening, even if you're short on space or time. Now that your garden's looking great, let's add a peaceful touch with a water feature. A fountain can make your yard feel like a tranquil retreat. The soothing sound of flowing water can help you relax and enjoy your outdoor space even more. Here's how to add a water feature to your yard. Choose the type of feature. You can go for a small fountain or even a bubbling rock fountain. I picked the right spot. Place your water feature somewhere visible, but away from too much foot traffic so you can enjoy the peaceful sounds. Easy DIY options. A simple fountain or tabletop water feature is easy to set up and doesn't take up much space. A small fountain can attract birds, creating a peaceful, nature-filled retreat. A water feature isn't just about looks. It also brings a peaceful, natural element to your yard that you'll love. Want to take your outdoor space to the next level? Let's talk about outdoor flooring options that can completely transform your patio or garden area. Here are a few options you can try. Decking. Wood or composite decking is a great choice if you want a raised area with a sleek, modern feel. It's perfect for dining or lounging. Tone pavers. If you want something more natural, pavers can create beautiful walkways or an outdoor dining area. They're durable and easy to install. Outdoor rugs. Want a soft feel underfoot? Add a colorful rug to your patio or deck to tie the space together and make it cozy. Gravel or pea gravel. For a rustic vibe, gravel works well as a low-maintenance flooring option that adds texture and charm to your yard. Outdoor flooring makes your space more comfortable and visually appealing, no matter what style you're going for. Now that your yard is looking great, how about creating a personal retreat right outside your door? Let's explore how to build a cozy outdoor nook. Here's how to create your own cozy retreat. Pick a quiet corner. Find a spot in your yard that feels private and peaceful, away from the hustle and bustle. Add comfy seating. A hammock, lounge chair, or even a cozy daybed can be perfect for your nook. Add soft cushions or blankets for extra comfort. Create privacy. Use outdoor curtains, bamboo screens, or lattice to give yourself some privacy and block out distractions. Add soft lighting. String lights, lanterns, or candles can make your nook feel magical in the evenings. If you're looking for something truly tranquil and beautiful, why not add a fish pond to your backyard? A small pond with colorful fish can create a serene atmosphere, and it's surprisingly easy to set up. Plus, it's a great way to attract wildlife and make your yard feel like a peaceful retreat. Here's how you can create your own fish pond. Choose the right location. Find a spot that gets partial sunlight so the water stays cool and your fish are comfortable. Pick the right size. Start small if you're new to ponds, but make sure it's deep enough for fish to live in comfortably. Add a filtration system. A good filter will keep the water clean and clear for your fish, while also preventing algae buildup. Add fish and plants. Koi, goldfish, or other pond-friendly fish will thrive in your pond. You can also add floating plants or lilies to make it look even more beautiful. Create a peaceful ambience. The gentle sound of flowing water from a small fountain or waterfall can add a calming touch to your backyard oasis. A fish pond can be the perfect finishing touch for your backyard, adding beauty, peace, and a touch of nature to your outdoor space. With these 10 outdoor home improvement ideas, your yard can go from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat, a place to entertain, or just a fresh update, these ideas can help you create the backyard of your dreams. So what are you waiting for? Grab your tools, get creative, and start transforming your yard today. You'll not only increase your home's value, but also have a space to relax and entertain all year long. Thanks for watching, and happy DIYing!